Are you ready for it? Because the pressure is on, and Danfoss has launched a 4K, 7K pressure washer offering that is blasting away the industry standard in every industry where it matters. How flexible? How smooth? Danfoss's uniquely formulated rubber cover glides wherever you want it to go, and you already know that every Danfoss pressure washer hose is engineered to withstand some serious punishment. So here they are, in sizes 4, 6, and 8. The Manta 4K for light and medium-duty applications up to 4,000 psi, and the Manta 7K for those heavy-duty applications requiring up to 7,000 psi. Destined to become the new industry standard. Both of these new remarkable hoses are available in 50 and 100 feet continuous lengths, 500 feet reels, and hose assemblies. Every Danfoss pressure washer hose delivers a perfect TTC fitting with our new universal single-piece crimp fitting. It's compact with a smaller stem for better routing, and the fitting is so versatile. Its 1A nipple design opens more than 500 design configurations, with the grace of a lightweight hose, but the performance of a true heavyweight. When it comes to flexibility, performance, and durability, Danfoss puts the power in power washing.